What's going on, everybody? This is the last reminder for those of you who want to get involved in the Python 101 programming course that I have up on my site. This is going to be the last couple of days that you can get it at the early bird pricing, $5 for the entire course, regardless of how much I change it in the future. I've finished a couple of lectures, going to finish the last couple, basically the last half of this week, and then it should be launching fairly soon. Once it launches, it's going to be $10. That's just kind of to push people to get it at the early bird price. But at the moment, it is $5. You can get it right now, and everything that I put on the course in the future will be yours, regardless of how much the course itself changes. So if you want it at the early bird price, I definitely recommend hopping on that opportunity now. It is going to be a course that covers Python fundamentals. I'll be putting up a couple of intro and promo videos over the next probably week or so to kind of explain more about what the course is about and to give you an idea about what we will cover. So like I said, link is in the description, pinned comment, all of that fun stuff. You can check it out there. Take it easy. Peace.